Yeah, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges right now in the world that you can easily trade your cryptocurrency assets on. But then, mind you, in as much as these 5 cryptocurrency exchanges are the best or are part of the best at the moment, it doesn't mean that you should have an account with virtually all of them. You can just choose 2 or 3 or even 1, but then I will advise you to choose 2 or 3 because it's good to always diversify your portfolio. Don't keep all your assets in just one exchange because you don't know what could happen to that exchange. It might get hacked and all your money will be gone and gone for life. So it's always good to diversify your portfolio. Have 2 to 3 exchanges where you basically use for your cryptocurrency tradings. So let's dive in straight to the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges. But before then, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will advise you to please kindly do well to do that, and also like this video so that more people will get to see and learn from it. So let's get straight to what we have here. So the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges we have right now is one, Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange is the #1 trending cryptocurrency exchange we have. In fact, there's no country apart from China where Binance is banned, and also cryptocurrency trading is banned. There is no part of the country or world where Binance is not operating. That's why you see Binance US and other form of Binance dots etc, because Binance is the most accepted cryptocurrency exchange, and that is because they made everything, their UI and UX, very easy to use. You can see that their web interface, both their website interface, their phone interface, is very easy to use. And also they keep working every day, every month. They keep upgrading their website to make sure that people keep liking them, and that is why almost 80% of crypto traders use Binance. If they don't use it for trading, they use it for investing. And also I can tell you that the Binance exchange has the most preferred trading view and technical analysis options. Some exchanges like Kucoin and MESC exchange, for instance, if you are trying to draw your trend line and all of those stuffs with them, you see that Binance really made it easy for everybody, even especially with phone. You can easily draw your technical analysis on Binance app with phone, but most websites make their own to be more laptop or computer friendly, you get. So that is it about the Binance exchange. I'm still going to show you guys the Binance exchange website. And also we have crypto.com. After Binance exchange, we get to see no, not crypto.com, Coinbase. Coinbase is a US exchange. It's a US exchange, but then is also accepted all over the world. After Binance exchange, we get to see the Coinbase exchange, the crypto.com exchange, Kucoin. There's a main reason why most people love Kucoin, and that is because they have what we call most small gems. That is, if any coin is listed on Binance, it's perceived to have been through a lot of auditings, and they must have had over 100,000 holders, and a lot of people are trading the coin, and they should have some kind of market cap limit so that Binance will be listing it with hope that they have people to really trade these coins. They have people who are willing to trade these coins on their platform. But then you see Kucoin has most good gems that are still new, price friendly for you to buy. You can register accounts on Kucoin and access most of the coins they have there. And also we have Okex. Okex is also a very good cryptocurrency exchange in the world right now that you can easily explore and see how it works. But then for me, basically, I use Binance Exchange and Kucoin Exchange. So let's dive in straight to my Chrome browser to see some of these exchanges. Let me just show you their website, and that's all. So this is the Binance exchange. You can see this is the Binance exchange. There's really nothing much here. If you are new to Binance exchange, you can easily just click on register account, or maybe you already have an account that is registered. You log into the account. If you want to download the website, you download, but that should be with your mobile phone. Also, you can see on the Binance interface we have trade, convert, classic, advanced. When you click on advanced, they are giving access to all trading tools and a whole lot of things. You can see that my interface has changed because I clicked on advanced. You can see markets. You are shown all the markets, all the crypto markets, but you can click on futures, spot market, futures market, favorites. I'm not logged into this account, so it's not really going to show my favorites. So you can see it's not really hard here. You just have to register your accounts and begin your trading activities. Nothing really much. If you are very new to cryptocurrency and you don't know how to really use the Binance exchange, you can subscribe to this channel, because I will be teaching more about the Binance exchange and other cryptocurrency websites on this platform. So the next cryptocurrency exchange we have on our list is Coinbase. You can see this is the Coinbase website. And also, if you have watched my video on how to start cryptocurrency with little or no capital, you will see that I mentioned Coinbase in one of the videos. With Coinbase, you can easily make $5, $10 for referring your friends to use the platform, and also when they buy and sell on the exchange, including on Binance too. So if you are yet to watch that video on how to start cryptocurrency with little or no capital, you can go ahead to my channel, look for the video. I'm sure you are really going to learn a whole lot from it. So the next crypto exchange we'll have here is crypto.com. Crypto.com. You can see their website is very mobile friendly, and you will really enjoy using their exchange for trading. You can see the tokens they have here. They have a whole lot of coins listed on their website. You can easily exploit them if you want to use it for your trading activities. Like I said, not all cryptocurrency exchanges you will have accounts on. Even if you have accounts on them, it doesn't really mean that you should be trading in all of them. It's good to diversify, but then don't overspread your assets. 2 or 3 exchanges is already okay for you to trade and diversify your portfolio with. So this is Kucoin. Like I told you guys before, Kucoin is a home of gem. A home of gem, a lot of new tokens that have potentials, and the ones that don't have potentials too are listed here. Like I said, I've already done a video on how to invest in cryptocurrency, things to look out for before investing in any crypto project. So before you invest in any crypto project on Kucoin, always make sure that you have really studied about them. Check how long their liquidity is locked and everything about them before investing in them, so that you won't invest hoping to keep the token for 3 to 4 years, whereas the liquidity was locked for 1 year, 6 months. You get. So that is it. That is that about the Kucoin exchange. And also we have the Okex exchange. I'm not really I think I'm a registered user on this exchange. I can't really remember, but what I use the more is Kucoin and Binance. And also I do use Hotbit, but I can't really recommend Hotbit for anybody because it's risky out there. Yeah, so you can see we have exchange, DeFi, buy crypto markets, trade, finance, learn more, etc. You can stake your cryptocurrencies, some of the crypto assets that are being able to stake on these exchanges. That is, if you know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, no need of trying to, make mistake with your tokens before your before your crypto assets will go on vanishing. So I hope you do learn something um from this video tutorial. If you did, I would like you to like this video so that more people will get to learn from it. And also, I'd like you to subscribe, share this channel with your friends. This channel belongs to us and not just me. I'm teaching you free of charge, so you can invite your friends to come and subscribe and also learn from what I have for them. So I hope you learned something today. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching.